Today class monohybrid and dihybrid crosses. So first of all, monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross means cross between two plants to test for single character. To test single character. Cross between single character of two plants. So monohybrid cross we have always Mendel laws or Mendel principles. Anyway, we have to take pure line parents. So capital T is a pure line parent, and also small t pure line parent. It is tall, it is dwarf. Tall plant crossed with the dwarf plant. In this case, we have to check height character. So tall plant gives two gametes. These are the parents. Gametes are produced by tall plant, capital T. Gametes formed by the dwarf plants, small t and small t. Anyways, anytime we have to take capital letters, that means dominant character. When we take small letters, that is recessive character. So this is the gametes formation. These are gametes formation. Tall plant gives two gametes, dwarf plants give two gametes. Now we have to take Punnett square board or checkerboard. So gametes capital T and capital T is the one parent, and small t and small t another parent. If we take this is the female, this is the male. So fusion between male plant and female plant. This is capital T is a dominant, then small t, then capital T is a dominant, here also small t, then capital T is a dominant and small t, capital T is a dominant, so then small t. Anytime we have to take first of all a dominant character, then after small, what is the recessive character. First of all take dominant character, then after take that is a recessive character. In case capital T means capital T is a dominant, so that is a tall. So tall. Capital T, capital small t, heterozygous tall. Here also heterozygous tall. This one also heterozygous tall. This one also heterozygous tall. Here phenotype and genotype. Phenotype of F1. This is F1 generation. F1 generation phenotype. How many tall plants is there? How many dwarf plants is there? Tall plant 1, tall plant 2, tall plant 3, tall plant 4. So phenotypic ratio 4:0. 4 are the tall, 0 are the dwarf. And genotype of F1, that is total 4 are heterozygous tall. Capital T small t, capital T small t, capital T small t, capital T small t. Total these are all 4 plants are they contain heterozygous condition. So heterozygous tall 4:0. All are heterozygous. All are heterozygous in condition, because one capital, one small is there, but both capitals not there, both smalls not there. So one is the capital, one is the one is the capital, one is the recessive, means small. That's why it is a heterozygous condition. Phenotypic ratio, physical characters means how many tall height we are check. how many tall plants is there, how many dwarf plants is there? Total 4 are height plants, 0 is a dwarf plant. And genotypic ratio also, these are all totally they have all are heterozygous tall. In F2 we have to check F2 generation. How can we check F2? Cross between these two plants and these two plants and these two plants, cross between these two and these two. Self pollination, also known as selfing, cross between same generation of plants. So take same means plant capital T small t into what is that, capital T and small t, self cross or self pollination. What will happen? Gametes capital T small t, capital T small t. What will happen? You have to observe. So capital T, capital T, capital T is a tall character. Next capital T small t, same capital T small t, here also tall. Then capital T small t, that one also capital T small t, tall. Then small t small t, small t small t, it is a draft. So capital T tall, capital T small t tall, heterozygous tall, homozygous tall, heterozygous tall. Next capital T small t heterozygous tall, small t homozygous draft. Here phenotype and genotype. This is F2 phenotypic ratio. 3 plants are tall, 1 plant is dwarf. So 3:1. 3 plants are tall, 1 plant is dwarf. And F2 genotype. Genotype, homozygous tall, only 1 is there, so 1. Is heterozygous tall, 1 and 2, so 2. Homozygous recessive, only 1, so 1. 1 is to 2 is to 1. So F2 generation of monohybrid cross, phenotypic ratio is 3:1. In case of F2 generation of genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross, 1 is to 2:1. 1 is the homozygous tall, 2 are the heterozygous tall, 1 is the homozygous recessive. This is the what about monohybrid cross. Next dihybrid cross. Next dihybrid cross. Cross between two plants to test for two characters. Mainly two characters. Two plants. One plant contain round seed, yellow color, round shaped yellow color seed. So the seed contain round and color is yellow. Next Second, crossed with wrinkled green color. Wrinkled green color seed. Second plant contain wrinkled and green color seed. So this is wrinkled seed and contain green color. These are the two plants, plant 1 and plant 2. Plant 1 contain round yellow seed and wrinkled, second plant contain wrinkled green seeds. Cross between these two plants to get which type of phenotype, which type of genotype in F1 and F2 generation we will check up. So this round yellow, round means capital R, yellow means capital Y, capital Y. Next, crossed with wrinkled, small r, small y for green. Capital R means round, capital Y means yellow, small r means wrinkled, small y means green. So gametes formation, these are the parents. This is the parents. Next, gamete formation. 4 gametes will form from each parent. So capital R, capital Y. Next, capital R, capital Y. Capital R, capital Y. Next, capital R, capital Y. 4 gametes will form. Next, small r, small y. Small r, small y. Next, small r, small y. Next, small r, small y. This is 4 gametes. These are the gametes. Parents gave 4, each parent gave 4 gametes. Now we have to check phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio of monohybrid, what is that, F1 and F2 generations. What will happen? This is the male and female, and one parent from one side, another parent from another side. So capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, then after capital R, capital Y for one parent, this parent and this parent. Small r, small y, small r, small y, small r, small y, and one more row and small r, small y. So fusion, first of all capital letter, capital R, then after small r, then capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Next, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Next, same, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Next, capital R, then after small r, capital Y, then after small y. Same. So all plants get same like that only. So total plants phenotype F1 generation. So this is F1 generation. F1 generation phenotypic ratio. Phenotype ratio is F1 phenotypic ratio is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 plants are, capital means round. This is round. Capital Y is there, dominant, yellow. Same, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow. Total 16 plants get round yellow plants. These are mainly heterozygous condition. So 16 are round and yellow, 0 is wrinkled green. 16 plants are round yellow plants, 0 plants we are getting, that is wrinkled green. And genotypic ratio, F1 generation genotypic ratio. The genotypic ratio is capital R small r, capital Y small y. Total complete 16 plants get same genotypic. So this plant contain, that is a heterozygous round and round and yellow. Totally complete heterozygous condition. Capital R small r, capital Y small y. Complete capital R small r, capital Y small r. All plants contain same type of genetic makeup. So 16:0. This one also 16:0. Why? Because these 16 plants totally contain which type of? This is capital R small r, capital Y small y. Capital R small r, capital Y small y. This is heterozygous condition. All plants, 16 plants are contained heterozygous round comma yellow. All plants are heterozygous round and yellow. Why? Because all plants show same type of genetical makeup. Next, F2 generation we have to check. In F2 what will happens? In F2 how can check? Capital R small r, capital Y small y. This is plant, F1 plant. So selfing F2 generation, how can we get F1 generation into F1 generation is equal to F2 generation? So F1 into F1 is equal to F2 generation. F1 plant we have taken, one F1 plant we have taken and again crossed with F1 plant only. Capital R small r, capital Y small y. F1 plant into F1 plant. 16 plants is there. We have to take 2 plants. It means same generation of plants. F1 plants we have to take crossed with F1 plants only. 4 possibilities. Capital R, capital Y. These plant, what is that? Capital R, capital Y. Next, capital R, small y. Next, small r, capital Y. Small r, capital Y. Next, small r, small y. So totally, how can we get this one? Capital R, capital R, capital Y. Capital R, small y. Next, small r, capital Y. Small r, small y. This is the law of independent assortment. Why? Because allele of one gene can independently assort with any gene. One gene can able to combine with any gene of another any allele of another gene. We have to take checkerboard. So gametes, capital R, capital Y. Next, capital R, small y. Next, capital R, small y. Small r, capital Y. Then small r, small y. Next, this is for one parent. This one also same parent. How? So capital R, capital Y. Capital R, small y. Next, small r, capital Y. Then small r, small y. Total 8 gametes. 4 gametes for one parent and remaining gametes for remaining parents. So 4 capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. So total 8 gametes. Total 8 gametes. This is F2. This is F2. Fusion. First of all, capital R, capital R, capital Y, round yellow. Next, capital R, capital Y, small y. Next, see, what is that? Capital R, small r, capital Y. next capital R, then small r, next capital Y, then small y, next capital R, next capital R, capital Y, next small y, next capital R, next small y, next capital R, small r, next small y, capital Y, means capital Y, small y, next capital R, small r, next small y, next. So capital R, small r, capital Y. First of all, take any time capital, then after small. So next capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, then after small r, capital Y. Next small r, capital Y, then small y, capital Y, then small y. Next capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Next capital R, small r, next small y, next small r, capital Y, small y, next small r, small y, small r, small y. Only one is there. This is. Now we have to take F2 generation of phenotype and genotype. So dihybrid cross, phenotype, F2 generation of phenotype. So characters we have to write. This is round, comma, yellow. Next this is round, comma, yellow. Next round is the dominant, so round, comma, Y is dominant, yellow. Next capital R means that is the round, yellow. Next round is the dominant, round, capital yellow. Next round. Small y means what is it? Small y means green. Green, round, comma, green. Next round, comma, yellow, next round, comma, green, next round, comma, yellow, next round, comma, yellow, next small r means wrinkled yellow, comma, yellow. Next small r means that is the wrinkled yellow. Next capital R, capital Y, that is the round yellow, comma, yellow. Next capital R means round, small y means green. Next small r means that is a wrinkled yellow, comma, yellow. Next wrinkled green, last one, wrinkled, comma, green. These are. If we take phenotype of F2, first of all round yellow, how many is there? First of all round, comma, yellow, how many is there? Round yellow 1, round yellow 2, round yellow 3, round yellow 4, round yellow 5, round yellow 6, round yellow 7, round yellow 8, round yellow 9. So round yellow 9. Next round green, round comma green, round green 1, round green 2, round green 3. So 3. Next wrinkled yellow. Next wrinkled yellow. How many is there? Wrinkled yellow 1, wrinkled yellow 2, wrinkled yellow 3. That is 3. Next last one is there, only one, that is wrinkled green. That is wrinkled green. Only one. Only one. This is the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation in dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross F2 generation of phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. Majorly round yellow is there is a dominant. 9 plants is there, so it is dominant. Next genotypic ratio of F2 generation. Next genotypic ratio. Genotype ratio of F2 generation. First one, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. How many is there? Exactly same type of genetical makeup. So all are capitals. All are capitals. There is no any one. Only one is there. So 1. Sorry. Here 1. So it is completed. Next capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. So capital R, capital R, next capital Y, small y. This is 1. Next here 2. Next 2. Here not there, here not there, here not there, here not there. So only 2. Next capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. How many is there? This is 1. Next here 2. Only 2 is there. So 2. Then capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This is 1. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Only 1. Then 2. This is 2. Next where it is present, this is 3, this is 4. So 4. Next until here completed, this is capital R, small y, small y. Capital R, small y, small y. How many is there? This is 1. Next only 1 is there, so 1 until here completed. Next this is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, small y. Capital R, small r, then small y, small y, small y, small y. This is going to be 1. Capital R, small r, small y, small y. Where it is? Capital R, small r, small y, small y. This is 2. This is 2. Then until here completed. This is small r, capital Y, capital Y. Until here completed. Next small r, capital Y, capital Y. Small r, capital Y, capital Y. Smaller, smaller, capital Y, only one is there. So only one is there. Next, smaller, smaller, capital Y, small y. Smaller, smaller, what is that? Capital Y, small y. How many is there? This is 1 and this is 1, 2. Next, only smaller, smaller, small y, small y. Smaller, smaller, small y, small y. Only one is there. This is complete genotypic ratio of F2 generation dihybrid cross. So 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. This is exactly is a long long process of F2 generation. I mean genotypic ratio is a long chain. Phenotypic ratio of F2 generation in dihybrid cross 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 is the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation, and F2 generation of genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. This is total how many plants? Total 16 plants. No, 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 plants we will get. 16 plants we are here. This is the dihybrid ratio. In next class we are discussing about trihybrid ratio.